I'm Allan Parvey. I'm a board-certified civil trial attorney. I've been practicing since 1972, almost 50 years, and I do trial work, and that's my passion. When I got out of law school, I interviewed with the state attorney in Fort Myers for a job, and he hired me. And he needed a felony attorney, so he put me right into felony. So I tried felony trials, anything from breaking and entering to murder one, from the time I started until 1974, when I was recruited by a personal injury firm to do their trial work. I came from a family of doctors. My father was a physician, my grandfather was a physician, my brother's a physician, I have uncles that are physicians. I was brought up understanding people's needs when they're in pain and they're suffering, and I had a passion for helping people, and I was actually a pre-med student when I went to school, to college. But I enjoyed philosophy and logic courses much better, and so I switched. Much to the chagrin of my father, but I did switch to that type of education, and that's what encouraged me to go to law school, because I could use my logic and my philosophies. That was another benefit to me, especially in the personal injury field. I had a lot of knowledge just from osmosis from my family about medical terms and medical care. And that really helped me in the personal injury field. I'm an avid workout guy, and I like to work out. I walk 8 to 10 miles a day when I'm up in Gainesville. I have grandchildren in Ocala, which is only 25 minutes away, and I really enjoy spending a lot of time with my grandchildren. And I pick them up from school from time to time, which I love, and spend afternoons with them. I used to be an avid snow skier, but those days are gone. I'm a member of the Rotary Club. I have been for, gosh, I guess 15 or 16 years. And I was Rotarian of the Year one year, and I do a lot of work with the Rotary Club. Yeah, well, actually, I'm an avid baseball fan. My son actually played college baseball, and thanks to my doting on him when he was a child, because I loved baseball. I played baseball in high school, and it was my passion. And so I do have a favorite team. I like the Atlanta Braves, and that came naturally, because when my family moved to Florida, that's the only thing you could hear on the radio was the Atlanta Braves. And I was a Yankee fan because we came from New York, and once I came to Florida, I had to become an Atlanta Braves fan, because you can't hear the Yankees on the radio. Anybody that's injured due to the fault of another or partially the fault of another, and they have pain and need medical attention, they should consult an attorney right away, because there are certain rights that must be protected immediately upon getting an injury to protect the potential for litigation in the future. Well, naturally, we like to hear from them as quickly as possible, but normally they need to get to a doctor within 14 days if they're injured. If they're seriously injured, they need to be consulting with an attorney right away, because upon someone being injured, an insurance company is going to right away, on the other side, try to contact them and give them a little bit of money and get rid of the case. And it happens almost on every case. So they really need to consult an attorney right away to know what their rights are, because we do not want them talking to insurance companies before they know what their rights are. Well, I'm really proud of what I've accomplished in my career. I've tried hundreds of jury trials. I'm a trial lawyer, and I love being in the courtroom. I'm proud of is the fact that I've been able to become board certified in civil trial practice. I had to take an examination given by the Florida Bar in order to become board certified, and there are a very small minority of lawyers that are board certified. And I took the exam in 1985, and I passed it. It was even tougher than the bar exam. Our firm is a small firm, and we are dedicated to giving personal attention to our clients. And when I say that, I'm serious. We answer phone calls as quickly as possible, the same day, if not immediately, as soon as we can. If we're in trial, after the day of trial, we'll answer all our phone calls in the evening. And we try to give personal attention to our clients. We don't allow anybody but an attorney to talk to a client initially when they call our office. We don't have, paralegals discussing their case right off the bat. We like to talk to them right off the bat and find out exactly what their situation is and what we need to advise them. Right, and we want them to meet an attorney as soon as they come into the office. There are a lot of law firms that don't do that. A lot of law firms will have, they don't even meet their attorney until they get to a mediation, which is just not the way to practice law. We are with our clients from the day we meet them until the case goes to trial or gets settled. Yeah, if somebody needs an attorney and they want to get a hold of us, they should go to our website, parveycavanago.com. And in that website, they will find a questionnaire that they can fill out, and we'll be able to respond to that questionnaire immediately and get an appointment for them to come in and see us.